Everybody, this is Baxter over at carwashcountry.com. So you just bought a used car. Maybe you already have a used car and you're just looking for a few ways to make it look a little bit better. I'm in the middle of this right now with a Jeep Wrangler that I just bought. A lot of you guys know. I bought it in April. It was pretty trashed. It didn't have any carpet in it. It had some scratches on the hood, had some faded out trim pieces. If that sounds like your present situation, this is the video for you, because today I'm going to be talking about 5 easy tips under $20 to really help make your used vehicle look a lot better without spending a ton of money. If you're new to this channel, be sure to hit subscribe if you are looking to improve your auto detailing ability. My name's Baxter. I run a website called carwashcountry.com. It's just a site that helps unite auto detailers around the country to improve their skill set, to grow their business, to generate more leads, to do just about anything related to auto detailing. So if you're interested in that kind of content, head on over there. I've got a bunch of free resources. But let's get into it. The first tip that I found helpful is just to remove your seats. And that's really an obvious thing, but you'd be surprised at how much crap is underneath both the driver's side and passenger side seats if you buy a used car. When I was in college, I bought a used 2002 Corvette, and it was pretty trashed, and there's just no way to clean out everything underneath the seats with a crevice tool on your vacuum cleaner. It's not gonna happen. It's just hard. So just get a socket wrench and remove the seats carefully. A lot of times it's just probably 4 bolts depending on your vehicle. It'll also make cleaning the carpet a lot easier, which is tip number 2, and that is to use a diluted degreaser to clean carpets. And what I like to do is take about a 1:5 ratio of a degreaser, like a Simple Green. I really like Simple Green. There's a bunch of others that you can use, but buy an empty spray bottle, fill it up with 1 part degreaser to 5 parts water. If you use an auto detailing brush, I've got one that I like to use that's got soft bristles on it, and you really can just spray the chemical on the carpet. It's not going to discolor your carpet or anything. It's just a degreaser, and it really can help remove a lot of staining. So that would be the easiest way to do it, the cheapest way if you have a used vehicle. If it's really trashed, you can go the route of getting a carpet extractor or having somebody come out with a carpet extractor. Number 3 is vinyl and plastic reconditioning. So if you have a faded trim piece on the outside, maybe it's a side mirror, maybe it's some sort of rocker panel, one thing that I've found helpful is to take it off. If it's beyond the point of applying one of those trim restore products that'll just really help make it look better for about 3 weeks until it starts fading back out. What I've found is by taking it off, I can prep it for paint. I sort of outlined this process in a blog post that I'll link up in the description. I also made a video on this if you want to check that out. But you just prep it with an adhesion promoter, and they make vinyl and plastic paints, and then there's a clear coat process. But it really doesn't cost a lot of money. You can really get this done for really around $20 depending on what products you use. So that's a good choice for the exterior. For the interior, they actually make a lot of vinyl paints as well that are formulated for use on dashboards. I had a faded out dashboard on my Jeep, and I painted it a black color from its factory beige, and it made the Jeep look so much better. It looks like a Jeep that's 3 years old in my opinion, as opposed to about 15, which is what it is today. But anyway, that's number 3. It's just plastic and vinyl reconditioning from whether it's the outside or the inside. And I'll say this is really the next tip. Whenever you're reconditioning something, you want to make sure you clean it first. So if you don't really want to go through the process of painting, just another thing that you can do that will really help is just to buy a dedicated heavy-duty plastic and vinyl cleaner or leather cleaner, depending on what you have, as well as a set of auto detailing brushes. It's really hard to clean trapped dirt from a dashboard if it's baked in there, if it's been in there for years, without some agitation and using a brush. I like Meguiar's products because they're professional grade. There's a product called M39. They make a whole line of products, but you spray it on there, and I think it does really the best job of anything that I've used to really remove dirt. So that's what I would do as the fourth thing, is just to pick up a set of these brushes and a dedicated vinyl or plastic or leather cleaner for the inside, and it'll really help out. The fifth thing, this is really just, you know, after you've finished cleaning the carpets, after you finish reconditioning the vinyl or the trim, you can pick up these decal kits if you have some older faded out decals, which you probably will have if you have other issues. My Jeep Wrangler, like, they were okay, but I really wanted a different color. I really like the way the black looks versus the white decals. That's just something cosmetically that can make your vehicle look a little bit better. I think I picked these up for 10 bucks on Amazon. You can find them on eBay, just about anywhere else. But anyway, that's my 5 tips. If you've enjoyed this video, if you want more content like this, be sure to hit subscribe. I also have t-shirts, I have ebooks on the site if you want a t-shirt like this. I really appreciate all the support that I've received from everybody in this community. It really means a lot. But until next time, hope everybody has a great day, and I will see you in the next video.